Welcome to Exhibit today. This is Ann Falcon at narito tayo live sa Convention Center for the 32nd Transport Show. At syempre kasama natin isa sa kanilang exhibitor, ang Xiang Properties with Mr. Prince and Rere. Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Okay, Rere, ikaw muna yung tatanungin ko. Ano ba ang dinala ng Xiang Properties here at the Transport Show?
Okay, Xiang Properties is here at the Transport Show to help you find the perfect Xiang Properties investment for you. Okay, so we have projects in Pasig, Makati, Mandaluyong, Bridgetown, and BGC.
Okay, para maintindihan nila kung ano ba talaga yung Xiang property na para sa kanila, magbigay ka naman, ano ba yung gustong-gusto nating hanapin for mga properties na pwede nating ipakita sa kanila dito sa mga properties ng Xiang?
Okay, so we have superior amenities and syempre, we will help you find the perfect investment for you. So whatever you need, you know, you need to give us the information, of course, and then we'll help you find, yun na nga, depends on what location you want and your budget, and yeah.
And meron tayo rito mga pre-selling pa.
Yeah, we have pre-selling projects and we have projects that are already set to turn over.
So if they're interested, Prince, saan ba nila pwede kayong makontak after this event? Do you have a website or any accounts?
We have a website, which is Xiang Properties, and then
our office
is located at Shangri-La Mall, Shangri-La Plaza Mall. Yeah.
Okay, sige na, Prince. Invite mo sila until Sunday pa tayo to come over and see what Xiang Properties has to offer to here at the 32nd Transport Show.
We're here till Sunday, so come find us here at booth 26 at the Transport Show.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing Xiang Properties. Ito po muli si Miss Ann at nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating major sponsors, Binyo Design and Swedish Designs, at nag-design ng mga magagandang booth here at SMX. And of course, to our executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles. Again, this is Ann Falcon. God bless us all.